Kunin mo na yung red wine. Ano ba klaseng pairing yan? Yung drinks. Cocktails!
But since you mentioned Kawangawa, I know someone may fundraising event next week. And I invite you. You should bring Lisa.
Of course. I'm on board. Gusto ko maaga pa lang na-expose na aking adopted dad. Gusto ko maaga pa lang na-expose na ang aking adopted daughter sa mga ganitong klaseng childhood. Oh.
Kat?
Strange. How I feel here na ito need ko yung matter na